This video will cover basic PID tuning. We will be tuning the x-axis of the XY semi-gantry pictured. We will be running a curve which the system overshoots. We will capture the movement with the oscilloscope and go over the basic tuning process and where the parameters can be found. The oscilloscope's trigger has already been set up. We will arm it and run the curve. We want to zoom in on the top peak to see how far the motor overshoots. The first place to find the PID settings is in the motor wizard. When setting up the motor, the correct moving mass and friction should be inserted. These values change the feed-forward parameters. This is a moving stator application, and the additional moving mass is near 6.4 kilograms. It is estimated that the drive friction is 30 newtons. Clicking Next will bring you to the PID settings. The individual values can be changed, or you can select default stiff or soft. We will leave it on default soft. Click Finish, then the firmware needs to be restarted. The motor needs to be enabled and homed. Create a duplicate oscilloscope, arm it, and then run the curve. Notice that adding the moving mass and friction decrease the amount of overshoot. Now let's go back in the motor wizard and select default stiff in the PID settings. We need to restart firmware and enable and home the motor. Another duplicate oscilloscope will be created. Changing the PID settings has decreased the overshoot even more. If you have noticed, it is a tedious process going into the motor wizard, making the changes, and then restarting the firmware. Another place to access the PID values is under Motion Control SW in Position Monitoring, Control Parameters Set A and B. This time we will add some I gain and D filter time. These are all live parameters and can be changed without stopping firmware. Once again, we create a new oscilloscope, arm it, and run the curve. The results can be seen here. PID tuning is an iterative process and application dependent. Thank you for watching LinMot tutorials.